What's happening, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I know it's been a while, but not a lot going on around here, and it's been pretty damn cold. So starting to warm up a little bit now, at least until next week. It'll be cold again next week. But I just want to give you a quick update of the seeds that I've planted indoors. I got my chives here. Chives are coming up. Got some lemon balm that I haven't done anything with. I did do some ginger, so I'm waiting on that a little bit. Cabbage, broccoli. I got this because I got some little flies. I don't know what they are, and I'm still doing some research on how to get rid of them, but you can see they like the yellow. There's one right there. Cauliflower. So this is the flashy trout lettuce. I had to redo that. It didn't want to grow the first time, so I just redid it. Here's some black seed Simpson lettuce. Same thing, it never grew the first time. The bunching evergreen, I just replanted as well. I only got one up, so I replanted all these other ones. And then I got some parsley and some dill. These are the flowers that I grew. These are just wild flowers. So I'm gonna put those all around in the garden. I think what I'll do when these start growing, or when it's warm enough, is I'll cut this in four. So I can have 4 different plants or different containers full of the flowers. And I think that's going to be the plan. Let's see. These are the bush onions, the bulb onions. So I got a bunch of those planted. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 12. I don't know. Maybe 20, 25 bunching onions. So I'm going to show you something else that I did here in the last couple of days. I'm going to make some tinctures or some balm. I'm not sure yet. Some salve, but this is basil. Put basil in there with some vodka, and I'm going to let that sit for 4 to 6 weeks. Kind of shake it up a little bit every day. I also did some mint, same thing, and some vodka. Shake it up a little bit each day. Four to 6 weeks. One other thing that I've done here in the last night, This is Larry. That's my sourdough starter. I'm gonna try some sourdough. So I named him Larry. Watching a lot of videos, usually people just for the hell of it name their sourdough. So I just did that last night. I'm not doing anything with it today until later tonight. Then I'll stir it up a little bit. But yeah, that's kind of what's been going on here the last week or so, week and a half. I'm excited to get back out in the garden, so I wish damn spring would come. I think last time I went over my plan, a little bit of a plan. If not, maybe I'll do that in a new video. But yeah, hope you're getting ready for the garden. Make your own food. Prices are too expensive. So until next time, hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Have an amazing Wednesday, and take care of each other.